Hello everyone, welcome back to Gossipfunda, and in this video we're gonna see how we can recover permanently deleted photos from Google Photos which are even deleted from bin. So in this video we're gonna see whether it is possible or not. So let's start with the video without any delay. So the first way is the Google backup. Yes, you can recover deleted photos if they are in backup. So if you have created the backup of your photo just before deleting it, then you can easily recover it. So what you have to do, open Google Photos in a different device and sign in into your account and simply recover data from the last backup you have created. And you can easily recover the photos which are deleted after the backup. Now the next way is the Google support. So in this option you have to contact the Google. So for that, search Google Drive help and then click on this option of find, delete and recover files. And if you don't find this option, then simply scroll down and you will find these options. Now click on this option and a new tab will open. Simply scroll down and here in this option click on read more. And now again a new tab will open and in the top you will see a important note which says permanently deleted files from Gmail, Google Photos or WhatsApp backups can't be restored, which means you won't be able to restore any deleted files from these options. Now if your photos are deleted from Google Drive, then it can be easily restored, but as a last hope for Google Photos, request for a recovery, and for that simply scroll down and click on this option of request for recovery, sign into your account and then provide the information, and if Google finds it's genuine, then your photos can be restored. So I hope this video helps. Like, share and subscribe.